Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Intellij IDEA IDE on your Mac OS X operating system. Intellij IDEA IDE is an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which helps us to develop our code. And Intellij IDEA IDE is mainly for developing Java application, right? And the company behind Intellij IDEA has also made some of the very popular IDEs like Android Studio and WebStorm and PyCharm. All are made by Intellij IDEA company, which is JetBrains, right? So let's see how we can download and install Intellij IDEA. So the basic prerequisite for installing Intellij IDEA is to have Java installed on your system. And if you don't have Java, you can check whether Java is installed on your system or not by going to System Preferences. So just click on the Apple icon here and then click on System Preferences. And then once this System Preferences opens, we can see here at the bottom that there is a Java icon also here, right? And this means Java is installed on my system. But if it's not installed, you just need to install Java first and come to this video, because after installing Intellij, we are going to see how we can develop our first Hello World application using Intellij. I have also made a video how you can install Java JDK on your Mac OS X. So just watch that video and you will be good to go. So to download Intellij, you just need to open your browser and search for download Intellij IDEA. And the first link which will appear here will be from jetbrains.com/IDEA and /download, because we are searching download Intellij IDEA, right? So this link will open, which is jetbrains.com/IDEA/download. I'm going to click this link, and this is going to directly lead me to the page of download, right? So here you can see few downloads, and you can also see this cookie warning. And if you land to the main page, which is jetbrains.com, you can go to the IDEs and you can see these are the IDEs made by these companies. For example, PyCharm, WebStorm and other. So we want Intellij IDEA, so just click Intellij IDEA and then you will be able to see this page, and you just need to click download and you will come to this page, right? Now there are two versions of Intellij IDEA. One is Ultimate version, which is a paid and commercial version, which we are not going to install. We are going to install the open source Apache license version, which is a community version. It's little bit limited to just developing Java application and Android application, Maven, and it's integrated with Git, Subversion and Mercurial. But if you want to have more features which are listed down here, then you may want to buy this ultimate version. So we are going to just download the free version, which is the community version, which is open source, and just scroll down and we are going to download the .dmg file. So just make sure that it's a .dmg file and then click download button here, which is going to download the .dmg file, and you can see the download has been started. And this is fairly big file. You can see it's 399 megabyte file. So you need to wait for some time to let it download, and once it's downloaded we will see how to install it. So now the download of this DMG file is complete. So I'm going to double click on this DMG file and I'm going to minimize the browser. First of all, it's going to open this DMG file and it will verify, and in some moment we will see a window and it's going to look like this, and it's really easy to follow this window. It says you just need to drag this icon to the applications folder. Okay, so just select this Intellij icon and drag it to the applications, and it's going to copy this Intellij to the applications folder, and once it's copied, we are going to start Intellij, and then we will see how we can write our first Hello World Java program in Intellij IDEA IDE. So now the copy is complete. So now we can just launch Intellij. What you can do is you can go to this launch pad and you will be able to see this Intellij IDEA icon from here, or otherwise you can go to the Finder and then go to your applications folder and launch it from there also. So I'm going to just launch it from here, Intellij IDEA, from the launch pad, and it's going to start for the first time, and we will see the normal warning which Mac gives you whenever you install third-party applications. So first of all, it's verifying Intellij IDEA, and then you see this warning which says Intellij IDEA is an application downloaded from internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, we are sure. So just click open. And once you click open, Intellij IDEA IDE is going to start. Now for the first time, whenever Intellij IDEA IDE starts, it's going to ask you one question, which is to import the projects or not. So you can see import Intellij IDEA settings from custom location, config this folder, or you can just choose this option which says do not import settings, right? So you just need to leave it as default, which is do not import settings, and then click OK. And now you just need to agree to this license terms and condition. Just read this document if you want, and then click accept. And now this Intellij IDEA customization window will start, right? So here you can choose what theme you want, default or Darkula. I just want the normal default theme, but you can choose whatever you want. And for now, I'm going to just click this button which says skip all and set defaults. Okay, so I just want everything as default. So I'm going to just click this button which says skip all and set defaults. And now it's going to start Intellij IDEA, and you will be able to see this kind of window when it opens. So let's create a project. Just click this button which says create new project. So in the next window, we will choose Java first of all, and then it's going to automatically detect whether Java is installed on your system, and it's going to appropriately select the Java version for you. If you don't see anything here, you can just click new here and then choose JDK from there. Okay, so you can see you can choose new, and then you just need to give the location of your JDK folder. Okay, and this is by default selected in my case. If you already have Java, it will be selected by default, and I'm going to click next, and it says what kind of project we want. We will just choose the command line version, and you can see when you check this checkbox, we will just use the command line app. So we wanted to create the command line app, which is okay. So just select it and then click next. And now you can give the name to your project. So I'm going to name it as Hello World here, and by default it will be saved at this location. So at your home folder there will be a IDEA project folder, and then your project's name will be saved. So if you are creating Hello World project, the same name directory will be saved inside this project directory. So now I'm going to click finish, or if you want to change the location, you can change it from here, right? So I'm going to leave it as default and click finish. It's going to create the Hello World project for me. So now you can see this project is created. I'm going to just close this tips window, and I can see this main.java file, right? I can just double click here, and I will be able to see the project's structure also here. So it has created this directory with the name Hello World, and in this directory we have the source file, and in the source file we have the package. The package name is com.company by default, and then our main class is created. So main.java class is created by default for us, and in this main class we have our main method, which is public static void main. So if you already know, this main method is the main entry point for your Java project, right? So I'm going to just print hello world. We just want to print hello world. Just write here s out and then press tab. It's going to create this code for you. This is the auto completion feature of Intellij IDEA, and then just give double quotes and then just print hello world here. Okay, and then save your code. You can just go at the file and then save it from there. You can see save all option, so it will save your Java file, and then you can right click on your Java file and run it from here. So you can see this option which says run main, and you can just press this green button, and it's going to build your project first, and it's going to just run your hello world project after it's built. Okay, so you can see it's scanning everything, and now you can see hello world is printed here. So you know everything is working fine in your case, right? Now from the next time you can also press this green button from here also, and it's going to print the same hello world, right? So you can see the same hello world is printed. And once again I'm going to show you this shortcut. You just need to write s out and then press tab, and it's going to give you this method, and I can say hello world again, and then save your code from here, file, save all, and once again run your code, and you will be able to see hello world and hello world message again. You can see both the message are printed. So in this way you can download and install Intellij IDEA on your Mac OS X operating system.